So, hi everyone, welcome to a new video. This video obviously is model kits. The first ones I'm going to be showing you is things I'm going to be sending to Martin Dare, because I'll never build them and he would like them, I think. I have discussed this with him previously. So anyway, first of all, we have this the city builder garage and shop, which I know he needs because he's making a kind of village. This is really good. It's made of cardboard with petrol pumps, coolant stand and openable shutter for the workshop, and it's really good. I'll just open the box here and show you what it's like inside. Yeah, here's the pipes for the petrol pumps, so that's something. That gives you, that's the instructions manual, okay. And you've got all these parts. There's the clear parts for the windows. Yep. Window blinds and chimney pots there. Okay. And all these cardboard sections which you just glue together. You see even the inside of the workshop. You probably can't see it. Yeah, the inside of the workshop is all printed for you to put there. Okay. What I do like about this actually is the detail on some of the printed sections here. I think I'm going to find some of these really good bits. Yeah, you've got these great sort of adverts and things painted on the walls. So this one I really like. This that one there. Excite, you start. Yeah, it's really good. So yeah, he'll be getting that. That one he'll be getting. He'll probably have fun building that. And that's in 1/43 scale. So perfect for your corgis and dinkies. And then to go with that, I also have this metal kit here, which I will never build, obviously. There you go, little tiny pieces you have to fix together and paint. This is the 2 garage figures and compressors, spray gun and air wrench. So yeah, that's pretty good. You can use that. And then I've got this set of garage attendants and so forth, which just need to be painted and put on bases. And another little bag of figures. Not quite as good as the ones he got, which he showed recently, but you know, these come from China. They're the very bad colours. So those. Okay. And then we got this Airfix kit here, 1/32 scale, Triumph Herald, Unbuilt, complete. Okay, 1/32 scale that. I've had that ages. And then there's this Volkswagen T1 Samba bus. This is a Revel model, 1/24 scale. It's all complete. Has a lot of operating features on it. I think there's a choice of wheels. Yep, all the doors open. I think even the steering works. So that's pretty good. And then to go with that, which I bought these little figures. These are the same scale. So these are the little figures, these little girls here. See, these bikini girls, there's this one, that's all there. But there's also this one which is missing a foot. But I suppose it'd be simple enough to make a foot to go on it, wouldn't it? Probably. So there's those. And then there's this 57 Chevy, which I started building, but then I had a problem with getting the engine in line with the transmission. I don't know. But I'll show you what I've done with this one. Oh. Yeah, you see, it's all there except for one of the tail light lenses is missing. But yeah, you see, there you go, look. Oh, damn. Damn. Yeah. Dear. Yeah, you see, there it is. Those are the wheels. You got a choice of wheels. But then I got this problem with the engine. Look, it's not right. It's at the wrong angle. But I painted the body shell, and I think I also painted the chassis there. Some of the interior I think I've painted prior to assembly. But yeah, so there's that. Yeah, you see, this is the painted seats. I don't know. That's how they are. Okay, so that's all there, as I say, except for the for one of the tail lamp lenses. But as I say, it's easy to make. Really is. So anyway, that's just, and there's all the decals too. Look, you can put them on as you choose. So yeah, so that's the first part of the video, and now I've got to clear this lot away and do the second part of the video, which will be built model kits. Okay, so I'll see you soon with that one. Right, thanks a lot. See you in a bit. Bye. Right, so here we go with the second part of the video of built kits. Right, that one there is Airfix kit, Mini 850, same scale as the Triumph Herald 132. Only reason I bought that was because it was reduced and it was the end of line and they're not making them anymore, so I got that. It's very fiddly to put together, indeed. Very fiddly to put together. But yeah, there's that one. And then, because I used to be into the banger racing, I got this Ford Escort Mark 1, which is also Airfix. So I did this one as a banger racer because I couldn't be bothered to do anything else with it. It was too fiddly. So yeah, so there you go. And I used to do banger racing, and this was the paint colours that we used to use because I used to paint the cars as well. And of course I did a lot more designs on them. But that's basically the colours we used to race under. Okay. Of course, when you're building a model like that, you can miss bits off it, which is good. It's you don't have to fiddle around with door handles and headlamp lenses, and you don't have to worry about getting glue on the windows because there are no windows. Yeah, I think the bonnet comes off here. I think it does. There you go, see, very basic in there. So yeah, there's that one. And then I got this Revell Caterham Super 7, which I built a long time ago. before I even moved into this bedsit. So yeah, so Caterham Super 7. That's quite good, I quite like that one. Yeah. I forget what scale that is now. But yeah, the bonnet comes off this one as well. I can get it off. Oh dear. Yeah, you see. There you go. There's the ends in there. Okay. Yeah, I think that's not bad, that one. I quite like that one. And then I've got this. Remember Haynes manuals for cars? They did workshop manuals. There's this, I don't know if you can still get these Haynes model kits. I don't know if you still can. This was reduced as well, obviously. Mark II Escort rally car. I think that's not a bad thing at all. That one. Yeah. I quite like that. I think that's not too bad. Yeah. This is of course when I can be bothered to build them. The bonnet comes off that too. You see. There's your engine in there. There's the underneath. Okay. There's that one. And then lastly, I got this huge Model A pickup truck, which is huge. I forget what scale it is even, it's so big. Yeah, it's very fiddly, this one. I don't even know if it'll go on this turntable, it's so big. Here we go, let's see if we can do this. I spent a long time building this. Right, so there you go. That huge Model A pickup. Yeah. There is a door, I mean the doors do actually open on this, but one of the hinges is missing off one door, so the door just falls off. But I'll open one of the doors so you can see what it's like inside. I think it's this one opens. There you go. There you go. So there's that then. So that's the end of the video for this time. And next time we're going to get back into tin toys, I think. Because I've got a few of those. I'm actually waiting on a delivery at the minute, but you know, I don't know. They come when they come, don't they? So yeah, thanks for watching the video everyone, hope you liked it. And as I say, next time we'll be doing a tin toy. And I know what it's going to be, but you don't. Okay everyone, thanks a lot.